Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine and safe at home. Good. Student, this time you should be very careful and stay at home. Okay? And welcome back to our GK online class. This is our GK book of class 2. Okay, knowledge enhancement. So, students, in GK, how many chapters we have completed? Very good, up to 9. So today in this class we are going to learn lesson 10. So all of you are requested to open lesson 10. Student, this is our lesson 10, fruits crossword and unit 3rd. And I hope students that all of you have completed your work. Up to lesson 9 you have completed your written work in GK book. Very good, that's nice. If you have not completed, so watch the videos, okay, properly and complete your work. Okay, now lesson 10. Okay, today we are going to learn lesson 10, fruits crossword. So fruit, what is the meaning of students? Fruits. Fruits का मतलब क्या होता है fruit का? Very good. Fruit means होता है फल. क्या होता है? फल. Very good. And fruits are very beneficial to your health. आपकी हेल्थ के लिए बच्चों फ्रूट्स बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट होते हैं. ओके, सो यू शुड ईट फ्रूट्स. So in this chapter, students, we are going to learn the names of some fruits. So I hope some fruits names you have already learned. Very good. And student, this exercise is given to us just like a game. First, we have to look at the fruits, the picture of fruit. Then we have to fill we have to write the spelling of the given fruit. Okay, means जो भी पिक्चर हमें फ्रूट की दी हुई है वो हमें देखनी है, फिर हमें उसकी स्पेलिंग वहाँ पर लिखनी है, उस स्पेस में हमें फिल करनी है. ओके, तो ये है ना इंटरेस्टिंग गेम है. वेरी गुड. ओके, नाउ लेट्स रीड दिस क्वेश्चन. टेकिंग क्लूज फ्रॉम द पिक्चर्स, complete the name of the following fruits. Okay, so we have to first we have to see the picture of the fruit, then we have to write, or we can say then we have to fill it. Okay, means we have to fill the given space. So student, now name this picture. Tell me क्या है बच्चों ये? Very good, guava. क्या है? Guava. And the spelling of guava is G-U-A-V-A. Very good. So let's write here. Okay, students, so let's write G-U-A-V-A, guava. And the meaning of guava is अमरूद. क्या होता है बच्चों? guava का मतलब क्या होता है? अमरूद. Okay. So students, look at here carefully that I have written UAV in capital. Okay, so you have to write these words in capital way. ओके, कैपिटल लेटर में लिखना है बच्चों, क्योंकि ये देखो आपने ये जो बीच में भी यहाँ पर दिए हुए हैं तो ये भी हमें कैपिटल्स में दिए हुए हैं, तो हम यहाँ पर स्मॉल लेटर्स में नहीं लिखेंगे, हम कैपिटल लेटर्स में ही लिखेंगे. ओके. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन. Yes, this one is big spelling and the picture is here. Watermelon. What is this? Watermelon. Watermelon. What is the meaning of watermelon? Tarbooj. Tarbooj. Okay. And the spelling of watermelon is students, water अलग और melon अलग. इस तरीके से हम इसको easily learn कर सकते हैं. Okay. WATER water and MELON melon. So let's write. Written WATER water, MELON watermelon. Okay, very good. Now next one, students. B. Now look at the fruit here. Very good. And name this banana. क्या है बच्चों ये बनाना. And I hope all of you have learned the spelling of banana. Good, very good. And tell me the spelling of banana is? Very good. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. So let's write here. Okay, B-A-N-A-N-A. Good. Now here students, M. N. Now look at here the fruit's name and tell me which fruit name starts with M. कौन से फ्रूट का नेम बच्चों M से स्टार्ट होता है? मैंगो. इनमें से कौन सा फ्रूट है जिसका M से स्टार्ट होता है? मैंगो का. ओके, सो स्पेलिंग ऑफ मैंगो इज वेरी इजी. M-A-N-G-O. And the meaning of mango? Aam. And this season is going of mango? Very good. इस सीजन में ही तो मैंगो आते हैं ना बच्चों. एंड मैंगो इज कॉल्ड द किंग ऑफ फ्रूट्स. मैंगो को क्या क्या कहा जाता है? किंग ऑफ फ्रूट्स मीन्स फलों का राजा. ओके, सो लेट्स राइट द स्पेलिंग ऑफ मैंगो. M-A-N-G-O. मैंगो. डन. स्टूडेंट्स यू कैन सी प्रॉपरली. वेरी गुड. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन. Now look at the picture. And what is this? Grapes. Good. Now let's write the spelling of grapes. Okay, G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Done? Good. Very good. Now next one. Okay, now tell me the name of this fruit, students. Pear. Very good. And pear को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? नाशपाती. क्या बोलते हैं बच्चों? नाशपाती. So write the spelling of pear. P-E-A-R. Pear. Okay. Nashpati. Done. Very good. Students, you have to learn all the spellings of the fruits. आपको बच्चों सभी फ्रूट्स की स्पेलिंग भी अच्छे से लर्न करनी है. वर्क तो करना ही, बुक में ही वर्क कंप्लीट करना है और लर्न भी आपको बुक में से ही करना है. ओके. The next one, look at this picture. Now tell me the name of this fruit. Very good. Strawberry. क्या है बच्चों ये? Strawberry. So now write here the spelling of strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Okay, strawberry. Very good. Now here. Look at this. The name of this fruit is pineapple. Very good. Pineapple को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? अनानास. क्या कहते हैं बच्चों? अनानास. Okay. So write here P-I-N-E, pine, or apple. You know the spelling of apple. A for apple, and the spelling of apple A-P-P-L-E. So write here pineapple. Done. Very good. Now next one, this one, apple. Very good. And the spelling of apple is very easy. A-P-P-L-E. So let's write here. Written? Good. Now the last one of this exercise. Now look at the picture and name this orange. क्या है बच्चों इसका नेम? Orange. Orange means क्या होता है? Good. संतरा. So write here O-R-A-N-G-E. So done? O-R-A-N-G-E. I hope students you can see properly the spellings. Very good. The color of the box students is blue. Okay, so this means here is a problem to see properly. Okay, so students, we have completed this exercise. So what is your homework? Okay students, this is your homework. Learn this chapter means you have to learn the spellings of these fruits. Okay, done. Very good. So students, in next class we will learn lesson 11. So till then, learn this chapter, complete your work in good handwriting. Goodbye. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.